Hello, I'm Antonius Panggabean, and the person recording is Jiunn Siow. This is our CS122A project, computer vision bot. What this bot does is it tracks an object of specific colors that we train it to track, and then also follow it using 4 PIDs, which are pan, tilt, and also turning and translate PIDs. We learned later that this would be very inefficient, as it would cause more erratic movement to our project. And there's also a line tracking program that we implemented that unfortunately we didn't finish. The puzzle solver that we wanted to do that solves kind of a path to make. It just simply tracks the line. So when we turn it on, this is a short demo. Right. Right now it's in search mode, which it goes through using the pan and tilt and also rotation to kind of search the environment for an object. And so let's say we have a red object, and let's see if we can get it to track. Oh, I don't think it's tracking. Hello? Okay, so we got it to track, and see, as you see, using 4 PIDs, it causes a lot of jitter because all 4 PIDs are working at the same time, and so they're making a lot of error into each of the measurements. And also the camera as well, when it puts a block onto the screen that we can use as an object to manipulate, the block always changes because the camera is not always the best at getting colors back and sending it to the values. So, as you can see, it does follow the object forward and back as well. It can lose itself. And then I'm going to switch it to line tracking mode. And so it does track the line very well. Let's turn it around. As you can see, what it does first is it looks down and then tracks the line, and then also turns on the LED lamps, and it'll follow it. We use 1 PID for the turning, and once it loses an object, it'll try to find a new line. Otherwise, it'll move forward and follow the line. And so what we use for the line tracker, we mostly use the servo or the motors. We don't use the pan and tilt PIDs or the motors. We just set it down and keep it stable, and then we use just a forward translation as well as a turning PID. Originally we were going to implement path solving, where it would hit an intersection and it would resolve which direction to turn to, but our intersection, when reading intersections, had a lot of bugs in it, so it wasn't presentable at the time of demonstration.